Yeah, hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to C Studio's Making Next Gadget live stream program. I'm Leora, the product marketing manager at C Studio, and today I will host this live stream with my colleague Kevin. So Kevin, please introduce yourself to our audience.
Yeah, nice to meet you guys. How are you doing today? Yeah, I'm not sure if you got the image yet. I'll wait for a few comments in the chat box before we really start. Okay. And
so please introduce yourself to everyone here.
So I'm product manager from CS Studio, and this is not my first live stream. So today I will be the guy to launch the new reTerminal E, which is already on my desk. Two model, black one, color one, and the black one. Okay.
So our Making Next Gadget is a weekly live stream that may covers the topics like from launching our new products or launching our new applications. And today we are going to have something really exciting. We are going to launch our brand new reTerminal E series. So Kevin, could you please walk us through a little bit about the agenda today?
Sure. Yeah, today we'll cover a few sections, and the first part will be the most important part is launching the new reTerminal E, and we'll do unboxing and talk about the specification about the hardware. And then we will have the first round of giveaway. Today we have prepared a lot of stuff to give away for free.
Prizes for everyone here.
And the next part will be showcase or launch the new platform we call the Sensecraft HMI, which is specially designed for the devices. So I'm pretty excited about that.
Yes, our Sensecraft HMI is a new released UI design platform. And today we will also have a big section to show the powerful functions in this software. And besides this software, what other platforms our device is compatible with?
Yeah, sure. And CS Studio will normally build a hardware for multiple platforms. And besides the default Sensecraft HMI, the new device also the new ePaper device also support like the Home Assistant and the terminal dashboard. Or if you are a developer or like maker which has coding skills, you can build your own dashboard from scratch using our Arduino like library and the SDK. Yeah.
Yes, and two more rounds of giveaways during this live stream will come up. All the prizes are really worth looking forward to. So don't go anywhere and stay tuned.
Okay. And I think we will leave a Q&A section at the end of this live stream. Please, during the live stream, leave your question to the chat box, and our colleague Alan will answer as much as they can. But we will pick some of the questions and the next part. Yeah.
Yes, so without further ado, let's dive into the first part of today's live stream, the most exciting moment. We are launching our new reTerminal E series. So Kevin, why we choose to make this product and why we choose this really special display?
Good question. And this is not the first ePaper device launched this year. And before that, we have this new Xiao 75-inch ePaper panel with 3D printing enclosure. And that's the first one, especially most of users using in Home Assistant. And the next one is the Terminal DIY kit, which we collaborate with Terminal Dashboard this project, and we host a live stream as well. And this DIY kit allows users to hack with their own enclosures. Yes. And that's a second one. So we ship a lot of devices and heard a lot of feedback from those users. And I think three of them are most common. The first, could you please just build something with more solid or stronger enclosure and looks much premium. yeah, that's the first one. And the second one is, if I want to create my own UI, it kind of difficult for now for me to build a beautiful UI. So if you can offer a new tool for that, that will be excellent. And the next one will be, since I already bought this hardware, I want to play with multiple software platforms. So if you can support more software platform, that will be awesome.
Yes,
so
that would be
that's basically the three feedback from the users.
According to all this feedback, and we really spent a lot of time, maybe a few months, developing our final products. And as you can see, we have finished our products finally. So to give you a clearer picture of our new product, let's watch a short introduction video.
Yes.
So please,
Yeah, we made made a video for that and talking about hardware and the software. Hope you like it. There you go.
When ePaper meets your home, transform it into a weather forecast dashboard, a desktop schedule assistant, or even your custom market insights monitor. And with colors, it becomes a vibrant storytelling signage for your coffee shop. Meet reTerminal E, ePaper display HMI for smart space. This sleek metal device features a choice of 7.5-inch monochrome or 7.3-inch full-color display. Powered by ESP32S3 with integrated components. UI is no longer a pain with Sensecraft HMI. Let AI design your interface. Choose from pre-built templates. Or use the intuitive drag and drop canvas. Then deploy to reTerminal E with just one click and build on your preferred platforms. Use ESP Home to create Home Assistant dashboards. Access 400+ plugin apps with terminal firmware. Or develop your own UI with Arduino support. reTerminal E. Display anything, anywhere.
Pretty cool, right?
yeah, really pretty cool.
Yeah. So I want to
Give a
use this picture to wrap
short
up
recap.
the key features. And yes, today the E series include two models, E1001 and E1002. Those are a few key features you can see from the picture, and like the display and the chip we use ESP32S3, battery life up to 3 months, and the dedicated platform we built for the devices called Sensecraft HMI, and remember that word. And later we'll show a few demos around the software part. And for the hardware, it will be open source. So that's a general description about hardware. I hope you guys like it.
So after seeing all the features and details of the hardware from our picture or from our video, how about unboxing a real one product?
Yeah, sure. Those are two brand
devices.
new reTerminal from the factory just yesterday. Today, I'm also very
Really
happy
excited.
to do the
Yes.
unboxing. And let me open up this one.
Okay, let's change the angle.
Let's change the vertical camera.
Yes,
Here.
the unboxing one.
Here is a package. And open it up. Well protected by the front, 2 layers, and open it. Okay.
Just a really brand new one.
Yeah.
Also with plastic bag.
Yeah. Here we come with a USB cable with the 90-degree angle of the connector, so that will head the cable backlinks the terminal very well. But normally you do not need to connect to the cable. It's just for charging. Yeah. And user manual, we also prepared a stand for that with a screwdriver. Let's open the device. So that's the device. Let's open it up.
And you have to assemble the stand by yourself.
Yeah.
And it can stand anywhere.
Yeah. So it's pretty neat.
The
And
metal enclosure.
yeah. And once you power it up, it will power down. And the first step, you get the device, you will connect to the internet and view via your phone or the app. So this is ePaper.
Yes, it's very clear, and you can see the display from different angle.
Yeah,
yes.
It's with wide viewing angle. It's perfect for reading, and that's a few interface like the SD card slot, the USB, and we also have an expansion port. Hope you guys can build some accessories around it. You can add some sensors for that. That's so. I think that's a unboxing of the display, but
the whole device.
The counterfeit one, pretty much the same, pretty much the same size, pretty much the same, but the only difference is about the
color of
its
the
color.
display. Yes.
Yeah. Also, the view angle is quite good. Yeah. So
exactly, our new reTerminal E will give you a better user experience.
Oh, forgot one thing.
Yes, you can assemble it now.
Okay. So let me get to the screw. So normally the terminal will just place on your desk or somewhere randomly. So we ship with a stand that you can just
assemble, and you can put it anywhere on the desk or just beside your bed or anywhere you want.
Just like this.
Very stable.
Yeah. Sharp and neat.
Yes, I think the stands give you a better user experience.
Okay.
To visualize your smart space. And the first good news in today's live stream is that to celebrate our release, we are offering $10 off on the first 100 monochrome ePaper display, and also for the first 100 full-color ePaper display. And the discount is limited, so don't miss out the chance to try our new products.
Yeah.
So,
and Josie, please send the product
send
link
our
into
links
the
to the chat box.
Yeah.
And during the live stream, our monochrome one is $69, and our full color one is $99. Once our stock is gone, our price will back to the original. Our monochrome one is $79, and our full color one is $109. So don't miss out.
Yeah, since we have a few stock right now, and for those who order today will be shipping in days or two. But we also will, after that, we also will open the pre-order. The pre-order date will be around the middle of September.
Yes.
Let's see how the supply chain will performance. Once after this live stream, I'll probably go to the factory to see how's going with large batch order. Yeah.
So if you want to try our new device immediately, you can get it today, and it will be shipped as soon as possible.
Yeah.
So let's move back to our products. Just like what we have said in maybe April, we have launched our new 7.5-inch Xiao ePaper panel, and maybe in August we have launched our Terminal BYOD kit, and now we launched our new reTerminal E. So what are the differences between them, and how can I get the right one according to my specific needs?
Yes, so there are. I'll share a picture of those three displays. I think the first one is Xiao ePaper. It's cheap, it's different. Though it was based on the Xiao module, and stack with ePaper driver board and together with display. And finally, we designed an enclosure for that. Of course, 3D printing. We built this product in real quick, and the specs most specifically for Home Assistant native software is based on ESP Home. So that's the first one, and the next one is Terminal. The Terminal is called the Terminal DIY Kit. It's a kit, so literally it shipping without the enclosure, but we also open source a few of the enclosure 3D modeling design. If you have a 3D printer in your home, you can create your own like the enclosure. So that's will have much fun for tinkering the device dedicated by your design. And that's a second one. And the next one is a more finished product with all the certifications, CEFCC, ROSE, and this time we have the
final
Japan.
Devices.
Yeah.
It is final devices. You can get it around the world, everywhere. Yes. So.
Yeah, and I just missed out the Japan certification this time, TEDx. So because I think some of our users in Japan, they have a very talent to design UI.
Yes.
So go ahead, get those display. You can
create your own dashboard.
Yes. Dashboard.
Just like in the introduction video, we know that in this series we have two options. One is the monochrome one, and the other is the full color one. So besides the color of the display, we all can see what are the other differences of these two displays.
Yeah, great questions. And here is another picture which already lay out most of the difference of the two display. And let me hide my
highlight something.
Yeah, let me hide ourselves in order you can see all the pictures. Okay, so the resolution is the same, and the color is the most difference. And the black one with higher contrast, the color one is enhanced with color. But the main difference, once you get the device, will be the refresh rate. For the black one, it has much quicker refresh rate. You can just upload a new picture for that, and it will take around 2 seconds to start to refresh, to finish your refresh. But for the colorful one, because it is unique take, it has 6 color, including black and white. And all the ink inside the display will take time to just change layer by electronics. So it will much longer time, around 12 seconds to refresh one image for refresh. And that's the main difference. So for a black one, if you just want to build your dashboard with like values, or
data and some text, it's really clear and perfect for that.
And for a color one, you can put it in retail.
Your photo, your digital photo frame,
gallery, or put it in retail desk to perform as a manual or some slogan of the advertisement.
Yes.
So that's for synergy usage.
Yeah.
So that's basically the difference from the two display. Choose whatever you want, or you can take two. Yeah.
Just that sound really interesting. You can choose the right one according to your needs, or just get both of them and to use them in different applications. So the next part may be introducing our new released UI design, Sensecraft HMI. But before that, it is the most exciting moment in today's live stream is that the first round of giveaway in today's live stream. And in this round of giveaway, we will give 2 7.5-inch monochrome ePaper display. So stay tuned. And the rule is really, really simple. And Kevin will ask a question. After he says go, the first 2 guys who answer the question fastest will get the prize. So everyone get ready, listen carefully to Kevin, please.
Yeah. And I also opened my phone with this live stream. There might be
delays among different
so I
places.
use this phone to log everything. And let's
the angle,
switch to the
Let
vertical
everyone
one.
see the screen of the photo. Yes.
Okay.
Everyone get ready?
Yes. Let me change the. Yes.
Is that clear?
Okay. Let's go until everyone is ready for that. So the question will be pretty simple. Those questions will be very simple.
Yes.
If you
Listen to us carefully.
yes. And the first question. Let me wait a little bit to say until the left chat box is ready for that.
Yes, everyone ready? You can
Okay.
say something.
The question is, what is the size of the full color reTerminal ePaper display? The full color one, the size. So go ahead.
Okay. Wow, so fast.
So Eric, sorry you missed the correct answer.
I think someone have already answered correctly.
Okay.
And Ray and Semtex H.
And Michael Solano. Okay. Congratulations.
Yes, congratulations to our winners. And please email us and we will arrange the shipment as soon as possible. And the email address is sent by our colleague into the chat box. So for those who haven't win our prizes, don't worry, we have 2 more rounds of giveaways. And the prizes are really worth looking forward to. Okay. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid of sending them into the chat box. After sharing all the content today, we will have a Q&A section. And at that section, Kevin and I will answer the questions in the chat box. So let's move back to our product. So Kevin, I can't wait to know something about our new released UI design platform, Sensecraft HMI.
Okay, let me switch to my computer, this one. So, yes. Hope you guys see my screen already. This is Sensecraft HMI, and those 2 devices already added into my account. And here is the device list. And here you can see the device flasher, which will be very easy for in the future that you can flash the latest firmware for that, and you can select different models, and then there is a firmware, and just press flash, it will just flash into the new firmware with USB cable, of course. And from the platform, this time we will have English, Chinese, Japanese, Espanol,
yes, for languages.
So let's open the main page of the device. So there are a few different sections here, like the gallery, the canvas, dice, reader, web, and the center will be the main area of the display. And all your UI creation will just show there, and what will you say will be what you will say on the display after you deploy those UI to the device. So let me try the first thing. I believe the first thing you will try is just upload kind of picture. So let's delete the default one and select photos. Here we have prepared like 3 quotes I designed.
What you designed by yourself?
Yeah, just a few days ago. And you can also change your sequence and just deploy. Just press the button because ePaper will go into sleep to save battery. So, and this live stream will manually press the refresher button to make this happen much quicker. And on the platform, here is the intervals. The interval, this one is okay.
Yes, the monochrome one.
Okay.
You have to wake it up.
Yeah, and the interval you can change from the 5 minutes to even longer for days. And you heard let me change the
Let
angle.
me change the angle, yes, to
And
see
now
it clearer.
it will downloading the picture from the platform to the device. And let me switch the angle here.
Because we have 3 pictures, so it needs a little bit time to deploy.
Let me put it
Yes,
here.
it comes to the device. That
Just,
is the final performance.
And you can see it's pretty sharp. All right. Black and
Yes,
white.
you can see it.
And there are a few buttons. The green one is manual refresh, and those two are page down, page up, and page down. You can just change to another of the frame, and it will just change to the other frame that which stores in the device.
Yes.
So that's I think that's the first thing you want to give it a try.
Yes.
Yeah.
The display looks really perfect and fantastic, but I have a question. Do I have a more convenient way to maybe upload my pictures taken in my photo instead of just turning on my computer?
Yes, hold on a second. This time we already made it possible to using the phone to upload the Sense.
Yes, change the angle.
Change your angle. Open the Sensecraft app.
Open the app.
Hold on. This one. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, here is our next screen. Don't worry. Here is the Sensecraft app. And we have the 2 devices already there. Let's select the second one.
Maybe lower the lightness of your phone. Maybe. Yes, we can see the screen of the phone is not clear, but the ePaper display is really clear.
Yeah, okay. Let me change it a little bit. Okay.
Yes.
So here is a default picture. We can delete it, and we can add a new picture from here. And just deploy it. Okay. And it will take some time after the platform process the image, because the image needs a process to determine the ink before it
gradually
really take effective. So, and now you can see that's how I talk about the colorful one take much more time to refresh. Oh, I forgot to crop the image, and you can here later you can change the size. It's okay, but this time I will save everybody's time. But just say that's how
final
it looks.
Performance. Yes.
Yeah.
On the picture on the phone, on the display.
Make it clear, and you will see it more like a painting, like a colorful painting. Yeah.
Yes, it's perfect for anywhere.
Yeah. That's for the app.
Yes, it's really convenient, really amazing, and I think that is really works for me and for those who we love take pictures, but we don't want any hassle. So what is the next function of this HMI platform?
Sure. We'll
show us more, please.
Put the colorful one here, and using the black one for later demonstration. So, you can see right now we have a section called Canvas. So creating a UI, or especially a beautiful UI, has multiple like the components layout on the display. So here we prepared a few of the basic layout. Like this is the test. Let's hello, and we can put a rectangle and change color for that. We have a green one, and then how about draw a shape, draw a line, and also if you are just want to put a QR code or a barcode on the desk to help to allow other people to scan, that's also usable. And you can drag the battery of the device showing on the device UI. You also have the built-in sensor, built-in humidity value, And those value, you also can just change the font to a larger size. That's just basically like the PowerPoint, right?
Yes.
And then you can just deploy it. And
Yes.
the device currently is sleeping, and every press it will wake up and
Wake
connect
up.
in the
Yes,
network.
it is wake
And
up now.
starting to downloading. Let's switch back to the vertical angle. You will see the device will starting to downloading the image, and after downloading success, it will trying to upload the previous UI we designed.
Yes.
If you are a talent designer for UI, you can make all those
Design
things,
a better UI dashboard.
by yourself. And here we
Yes.
also have like the date. I can a lot of things will add more, and the data. The data is dynamic data, and you can say
新角度。
okay. So you can use your API to include any data from any platform. So that's the basic canvas function. Yeah.
Yes, that really works for me because coding for me and I think for other like beginners is the biggest barriers for us to create our own UI dashboards. And I think this drag and drop canvas really solve my problems. And the other barrier for me is that I don't think I have the talent
Really?
or the, yes, I'm not good at it. I don't think I have the talent or skill to design a beautiful UI, and maybe I don't have too much time to design. So I
Yeah.
want to make it easier.
Yeah, when we design the platform, we already thought about this. So we include a section called templates. Currently, you just have few templates. But yeah, hope you guys can create the beautiful templates. Then we can add it to the platform. Yeah, thank you in advance. So let's try the first one called weather forecast. And we already use the API of the weather service, so don't worry, just a search. Let's say New York and preview. You will have all the necessary information from the weather forecast and apply to the canvas. And then, because you use another unit, you can change the unit, and then
Add something or
and
then you can deploy it.
just deploy it, or you can change some of the text, and or you add your favorite emoji here. It's also okay. And let's switch back to the vertical angle. And once the image download to the, wait a second, it will just try and take time to refresh. Yeah, just 1 second, 2 seconds, around 2 seconds will refresh to the new UI. So looks beautiful. Put it on your desk with a glass. You will know the weather
easy.
before you get out of your home or go to office. Yeah.
But besides the template like weather forecast, what other templates can this platform support or provide?
Yeah, to save everybody time, just show the performance on the platform and won't just switch to the device. Like if you are a developer and you have your repos and you want to see how your style is or how your folder numbers, and you can just paste the API of the GitHub, and then you say your folder or your stats apply to the canvas. You can change to your own logo, your own slogan, and all those data is the live data. So the data will just update every interval, like currently 30 minutes.
Yes.
So that's GitHub. And also we have stock dashboard and YouTube dashboard. YouTuber love their subscriber, right? Their fans. So we also include this template in advance. So you can just have your subscribers. And if you're using colorful display, you can just delete the first logo. And yeah, let's that will be a colorful one, but right now I will use this one. Yeah, the data is also real time and every refresh. So you just paste your API, yeah,
Yes.
you will get it. So that's templates. Yeah, hope you like it.
Yes, I really like it. That's really perfect for me. And how about AI? Because I know that it is an AI-powered platform. And how does AI work in this platform? What if I want a mountain with sunset? Can it achieve for me?
Let me show you.
I think. How does
Here
it
we
work?
have two places for AI. Let me hide ourselves.
Because we have put in some words and we are,
Okay.
yes.
Here, under the right down part, you will see there will be a box. You can put your prompt here. Let's delete the first three, and you want a
Mountain with sunset, please.
Okay. It will take some time to waiting for it called the large language model behind the web page is on our server. We use also.
Wow, it already generated.
Bingo. You can add it to the gallery or just download it. It's up to you.
Or it's just like a real mountain.
Yeah, let's deploy it first, and then later, it's not. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to use the colorful one. But using colorful one will be more beautiful.
Will be better.
It's okay. You can try it by yourself, and every time How about I show the next one before?
Yes.
It's already there.
Coming up. We'll change the angle.
Okay.
Okay, maybe we should go on and give it some time And not only just pictures or galleries, our Sensecraft HMI can also help you just generate some layouts through our AI. You can just type in what you want into the software, and it will give you a layout, and you can also.
Maybe the network got some jammed because the live stream got so many devices. So that's a device. Upload to the.
I think maybe the colorful one will be better.
Yeah.
Yes.
Definitely much better.
Yes.
So.
And besides this, just like what I have said, we can generate your layout through AI, and you can just type in something just like we done it before. Yes.
Yeah. So let me try this one. So let me first delete the components, and this time let me design a quote from Einstein.
Well, you really like code.
Yeah. Let's see how it works. Maybe every time is different, but let's see how it performs this time.
Let's looking forward.
It will generate a basic UI, and from do the layout in advance. If you don't like it, you can change it afterwards to make it bold or change the size, make it bigger, and so AI help you already have a framework, and you can add your thoughts on the template. So that will also save a lot of your time. So that's another AI function we want to share. So, but because right now it's in beta version, we offer few tries, like 5 times every day. If you want to give it a try, that's okay, because using AI currently today to generate those image or the layout consume a lot of tokens. So that's every time you try will pay a lot of cost for the services. So. And I think that's for AI.
Yes, I think AI is really powerful, and I think besides the two functions, on the left side of the screen, I can see two more functions, maybe RSS and web function. So can you show me something about that?
Yeah, sure. Why not? If you RSS fans, you can subscribe the feed from the news later, like the wire later, and see it. You have the content here, and you can just deploy it, and then the newsletter will just pop up onto your display, and then every like 30 minutes you will update the latest news, which will be very useful for you. And there you go. It takes some time to download. Download successfully, and you will take a few seconds to update. Here is wired.
It is the RSS.
Yeah.
And it is updated.
Yes. Oh, this angle looks better. Yeah.
Yes. And
so that's.
Except that, what is about the web function? How can it works?
Yeah, web is pretty simple. If you are a web designer, you build your web dashboard, but you want to mirror it to. If you want to mirror it into your device, you can paste the web link here. I will not show the details, but it's pretty much the same. You can just the server help you to browse the web link and then mirror the content here. Yeah, that's the Sensecraft, I believe.
Yes, that is our Sensecraft HMI. I think it is really powerful, simple, easy, and let you create your own UI dashboard without writing any code. But of course, I know that some of our members in our community, maybe developers or makers, I think you have their own preferred platform to develop your own dashboard. So one good example is maybe connecting Home Assistant via ESP Home. So regarding to this, our new reTerminal E is also compatible with Home Assistant. So Kevin, can you please show us something about it?
Yeah, sure. Like here, we already have a dashboard in our Home Assistant. Let me see which one is a Home Assistant. Alan, can you bring the
Home Assistant
dashboard? Yeah, and this one, reTerminal.
Yeah. Yes, it is compatible with our Home Assistant, and to save time, our application engineering will give us the product.
Basically it's based on the ESP Home.
It's super easy, and we should go on first, and then he will give us the final performance of Home Assistant. So let's first talk about Terminal. We all know that maybe in August, we have just launched our Terminal BYOD kit, and it is really flexible and popular in our community. But don't worry, all the pre-orders will be shipped in September. Maybe I think some of you guys have already get it. So this time we collaborate with Terminal again. So our new reTerminal E is also compatible with Terminal. So Kevin, please introduce something about Terminal. I think maybe someone here doesn't know nothing about it, and show us how to connect Terminal with our reTerminal E.
Yeah, sure. Let's open a new page. Terminal. So talking about Terminal, Terminal is a project with very beautiful dashboard. So it has their original like devices for old one and new one. The new one is under depending taking the pre-order, and they are good partner of this studio. And the most exciting part is they have like over 400
yes,
plugins.
over 400 plugins.
And here they have a lot of plugins, and then you can let's say you choose a Google Calendar, and then you can just use their services, your firmware, their services on the back end, and then connect with your Google Calendar and showing on the dashboard. Before we, the last time we collaborated is this one, the terminal display. And now, today, I will be very thrilled to say that terminal also support the reTerminal also support this
terminal partner.
This beautiful dashboard platform.
And I think someone is waiting for our giveaway and our discount. So another good news is here, our partner terminal give us a limited discount. Also give us a limited discount. The first 200 terminal firmware accesses is only for $35, and you can use the code terminal seed ekit and buy this license. Our colleague has already sent the link and the purchase link and the code into our chat box. And I know I just saw that some people are waiting for our second round of giveaway, so it is coming now. It is our second round of giveaway, and our partner terminal is really generous. Besides the limited discount, they also provide 2 free terminal firmware accesses in this round of giveaway. So we will give them away.
If you have already won the device, you probably need another access or license.
And you can try it. Maybe
if you just have a good luck to get the license on this round, you can go and get a
totally
device.
Free to try our new product, both hardware and software.
Yeah.
So the simple is the same as the first round. We ask you a question, and the first 2 guys who answer the question fastest will get our prizes. So everyone get ready, listen to Kevin carefully.
Yeah, I already give you a heads up in the first section. So, so the question is, what is the full name of the low coding platform we especially designed for reTerminal E? The full name of the software platform.
Yes, the no coding platform. Go ahead.
Let's see.
Oh, I'm too fast, I think. Maybe someone have already answered.
1, 2, 3. Yes.
Screen. Yes.
We have John. We have Habiba. We have.
Sorry, maybe we pronounce.
Yeah, you won the device before.
Correctly.
I remember you. So you got everything.
You are the lucky one.
Okay.
Totally free try our new product. So congratulations to our winners, and please email us as soon as possible, and our license will send you via email, and the email address is sent into the chat box by our colleague Josie. Congratulations to everyone here, and we also have one more round of giveaway in today's live stream. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. You still have the opportunity to get our free prize. And let's move back to our new product. And the other way that we can develop your own dashboard is Arduino, which allows you to dive into coding and just further customize your features. So maybe I think some developers and makers will love it. So Kevin, please show us.
Yeah. First, we of course we will support Arduino developing. So in that, make the process a little bit easier, since we have not only devices, also have a driver board, also have different size of display. So we today we renamed the library for that. State GFX is a library to help people to drive different display like ePaper or LCD display. So, and we also offer online configuration generators that you can choose different like device or different size of the display, and using different size of the driver board. Yeah, that's okay. And then you can generate the configurations and back to the to the Arduino IDE, you can paste that as a predefined library, and then you can just build your UI. But this time, we collaborate with SquareNine. Everybody likes SquareNine. SquareNine use LVGL to do the UI design, and this time we just give you a heads up in advance, because now SquareNine will move to next big version called SquareNine Vision, and it's web-based, and you can design pretty much all the things like before using LVGL. And this is a template I create. Actually, SquareNine helped us create it for our display, and especially for ePaper. And I think SquareNine Vision will have their own launch event probably next week. Please tune to their news. And this is a design. There are a lot of widgets here. You can create beautiful UI, and that's a template you can export as UI files and include into your project. And this time I will show the result. Here is a UI designed by SquareNine Vision. So it looks beautiful, right? The colorful one, and the front and the color will look beautiful. And but SquareNine only designs UI, but behind the UI, the logic, the data, you have to take care by yourself. Yeah. So
Yes.
that's Arduino part.
Yes, our reTerminal exactly give our users the biggest flexibility to create your own UI dashboard. No matter coding or just no coding, you just can develop by your own way. So the most exciting moment in today's live stream, it is the last round of giveaway. So don't miss out the last chance to get our free prize. And in this round of giveaway, the prizes are the most valuable in today's live stream. It is our 7.3-inch full-color ePaper display. So the same rule, we will ask a question, and the first two guys who answer the questions fastest will get our prizes. So everyone get ready here and listen to us carefully. The question is really simple.
Yeah. Of course, simple. Yeah. So let's rock.
Let's ask our
So
questions.
the question is, okay, it's just very simple. What is the resolution of those two displays? Go ahead. What is the resolution of those two displays?
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
So fast. I think someone have already answered.
Oh, Michael Snow, you got everything.
You are the biggest winner in today's live stream.
Congratulations, Good Zilly and Eric and Michael Snow. Yeah, congratulations. Yeah.
Yes. So congratulations to our winners. Please email us and we will arrange the shipment of our full-color ePaper display as soon as possible. I think that is the whole content all the content that we want to share today.
Yes.
And it comes to our Q&A section, and we will answer some questions you have sent into our chat box. Kevin and I will both answer it.
Okay. Okay. I don't know if all the questions is answered by our colleague, but I think here one question about the shipping time, about the discount. Yeah. So
yes,
I believe you can take the question.
Yes, I can answer this question. Our discount during this live stream is limited. It's only $10 for the first 100 monochrome ePaper display, and also for the first 100 full color ePaper display. Once all the stock is gone, our price will back to our original one. And our original price is the monochrome ePaper is $79 and the full color ePaper is $109. But in this live stream, our limited discount is our monochrome one is $69 and our full color one is $99.
Yeah.
And about the stock is all these devices during this live stream, we can arrange shipment as soon as possible.
Yeah.
And also we have almost maybe 1,000 pieces.
Yeah, almost.
On
Coming
the
soon,
way.
next, probably
Yes.
in middle of this month.
They are
And,
pre-orders, maybe
so
on the...
don't worry about it because there will be a wrap up on the factory side. I will try harder to push in. And speaking of the discount, I want to add something. Yeah, so because Euro pre-Euro probably currently is sleeping, so normally they will just wake up and then watch a live stream later. So after this live stream, we will depending on the performance of the traffic and the unit we left. We will try our best to add as much as possible of the unit we can offer for this discount. Just stay tuned. Just pass this message in the community. Yeah, thank you.
And maybe I think some technical issues you can answer, Kevin, about the refresh.
Yes. And the second question coming from Abihai Sheikh. Does it has partial refresh? So here is a thing. The black one you can, if you're coding by yourself, you can do the partial refresh. But for the colorful one, you have to do the full refresh. And that's hope I answered the questions. And yeah,
maybe
here is
because of the technical issues, we just missed out the show of our Home Assistant dashboard. So our reTerminal E is compatible with Home Assistant, and it is the final performance of the Home Assistant dashboard on our reTerminal E.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is dashboard just designed in the Home Assistant backend, and you can design much beautiful UI, I believe. So sorry about
the technical issues.
Okay. So
okay. And one more question, or about external sensors. Can we?
I think the question is, can we add like other sensors to the dashboard? Yeah, that's a good question. Here,
we have external.
Besides those connectors, we have an expansion port here, which contains 8 pins. Cedric or Annan, can you send the wiki page in the chat box? We already lay out this in the wiki page that you also the schematic is over there as well. If you are an electronic engineer, you can take power from those pins, and there will be UART and I2 square. So technically, you can add different sensors to that. If your human presence sensor or gesture sensor is I2 square or other interface, you can do that. Also, I/O can work and that.
Yes, you can just develop the dashboard according to your needs. We are really looking forward to your creative ideas. And to save the time, I think our colleagues will answer the other questions in the chat box. One more question. Yes.
Where is the 3D model for the case? 3D model, you mean this case or those previous, like the 3D printing case? But for the 3D printing case, they're already online in the wiki page. For this one, we haven't finished the 3D modeling, but I will ask for the R&D team to prepare for a 3D enclosure files and share it into the added
All
into
of
the
you.
wiki page. Yeah.
Yes. And I think that is all the content today. Thanks for all of you for joining us today. And that is the whole all the content that we want to share today. But before we wrap up, I just want to make sure that you won't miss out our limited discount and also the limited discount provided by our partner Terminal. And you can get all the purchase link in our chat box, so don't miss out.
If you already have the DIY kit and you want something different, you can try this one.
Yes,
yeah.
the no coding one, and and one more thing I just want to emphasize is that we'd love you to try our new released UI design platform, Sensecraft HMI. Without writing any code, you can create your own UI dashboards, and we highly encourage you to create your own templates and share them with our community. I think you are so talented and skilled. We can't wait to see your creative ideas. So grab your limited reTerminal E with limited stock and limited quantities and start building now. So see you next time. See you in the next
by the
live
way,
stream.
we got a question about
one more question.
So
is that clear?
About the next giveaway. So I think let's take the screenshot here, and the first one with the right answer is Habiban, and the second one is from Franado, and the third one is Guilty, because the Guiltily just mentioned that they he is not mentioned. You already mentioned. Yeah.
Yeah. So, sorry about that.
Please contact us.
Yes, please contact us. Please email us.
Because this is your lifetime, so we want to make any fake stuff. Yeah.
Congratulations to all the winners, and please contact us at leorachen@sc.cc. Don't miss out your chances and your prizes. And that is all the content we want to share today. Looking forward to seeing everyone in the next live stream. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.